Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Ul Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear students, my dear viewers, my dear respected teachers and friends. Today I am making this video for your kids, and inshallah after complete this video, you will extract the high wisdom from this video, and it will helpful for you and your kids. This is the second story of Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. I had been made another story, Adam alayhi salam, Prophet Adam alayhi salam, in previous video. Please, this is my humble request to all of you. Please watch completely this video, and inshallah you will get a beautiful knowledge about Nuh alayhi salam, and it would be increased knowledge in your kids. And you, Prophet Nuh alayhi salam, Prophet Nuh alayhi salam and the great flood. Long ago there were 5 righteous men named Wad, Suwa, Yagut, Yauk and Nasr. When these men died, the shaitan inspired the people to build stone statues to remember them. Slowly the people began to take these statues as idols. They forgot about worshipping Allah Azza alone. Allah Azza sent Prophet Nuh alayhi salam to call the people to Tawheed, to worship Allah alone, and to forbid them from shirk, worshipping false gods. Nuh alayhi salam called his people for 950 years, but most of them rejected him and didn't believe. Allah Azza told Nuh alayhi salam that no more of his people would believe. He commanded Nuh to build a big ship. Allah Azza was going to punish the people of Nuh alayhi salam, or was going to punish the people of Nuh alayhi salam with a great flood that would fill the earth, and he would save the believers with Nuh alayhi salam in the ship. Every day as the disbelievers passed by Nuh alayhi salam, they would mock him and laugh at him, but Nuh alayhi salam had a faith in Allah's promise. He responded to the disbelievers saying, "You are laughing at us now, but soon we will laugh at you." Finally, the day came when water poured out of Nuh's oven, a sign from Allah Azza that he was now going to send the flood to punish the disbelievers. Rain poured down from the sky, and water gushed upwards from under the earth. Allah Azza commanded Nuh alayhi salam to take 2 of every kind of animal, a male and a female, onto the ship with him, along with his family and the believers. Nuh's wife and his son didn't board the ship. Allah told Nuh alayhi salam that they were disbelievers. As the water rose, Nuh alayhi salam called out to his son to join him, but the son refused. He replied, I will go to a high mountain to escape from the flood water. Nuh alayhi salam called out to him, saying, today there is no escape from the punishment of Allah. The waves came between them, and the son of Nuh alayhi salam was drowned along with the disbelievers. The believers praised and thanked Allah for saving them from the disbelieving people. They made dua for Allah to make them land in a safe and blessed place. The whole earth had been filled with water, and the disbelievers had been destroyed. Then Allah commanded the sky to stop raining, and He commanded the earth to swallow the water. As the water went down, the ship came to rest on Mount Jodi. Allah told Nuh alayhi salam and the believers to come down from the ship in peace. Allah blessed them, and from the three sons of Nuh alayhi salam, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, the rest of mankind were born once again to live on the earth. MashaAllah, you watched to complete this video. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Deen Dunya and Akhirah. May Allah accept your efforts, and may Allah make the nur of your eyes your kids. Ameen. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Deen Dunya and Akhirah. Far away all the hurdles and all the standing forces and strategies and their plannings. Ameen. Pakistan Zindabad. Allah Hafiz.